In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a thumbnail to your YouTube videos on a phone. So this will work both on Android and iOS. I'm going to show you step by step how to add a custom thumbnail to it. As you can see, here I have the video that I want to add a thumbnail to, but we don't want to use it in the YouTube app. We want to do it in the YouTube Studio app. So basically open up YouTube Studio, and if you haven't installed it yet, go ahead and download it. Then you want to go to videos, and here you can find the video that you want to edit. You want to hit it and then hit the pencil icon at the top right. And now you want to hit the pencil icon on the screen, and here you can select a thumbnail that you want. So here you can select custom thumbnail, and there you go. But first you have to verify using YouTube on your PC. So once you've done that, you can go back. So I'm going to do that right now on my PC, and then I'll get back to you. So now I'm on a different video, but I verified my account, and I can hit change. There we go. And now you can select any picture that you want. So let's say I want to select just this picture, just as an example. You can hit select, and there you go. Now you changed your thumbnail. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.